got here is a 2018 ZL1 M6, standard ZL1, not a 1LE. We just did our 125 package on it, which I developed on my personal ZL1 1LE, except for the customer opted out of the flex fuel conversion. So it's just going to be a standard pump gas power package. We expect to see a little over 600 rear wheel horsepower on this. It's got the Rotofab cold air intake, 95mm throttle body, Cook Swan tube headers with the green cats, the X pipe back to this factory muffler, MSD wires. Yeah, that's about it. You know, custom tuning with HP tuners. So I'm gonna make a poll and see where she's at. Now this is gonna be the first poll. I'm probably gonna have to do some tuning on it to dial it in, you know, perfectly. But I think it's pretty close because I've done. This is the fourth one I've done in the past 2 months. It should be real close. Wow, look at that fuel curve, huh? We get 81s like they're going out of style.
Yeah, absolutely.
82, 81. 621. 621.9. £618 of torque. That's stout.
Absolutely.
Again, no changes in boost. Just bolt on the stuff and tune it. And we got a real nice package. Nice and cool out on the road course. 622 horsepower. 619 pounds of torque. And only 8.7 pounds of boost in peak torque. And 9.58 pounds of boost at peak horsepower. First pull.
First pull. Can't get much better than that.
Yeah, right? nice when they overlay like that, one after the other, you know?
Absolutely.
Consistency. Yeah, it's splitting hairs, you know? 625 rear wheel out of a car that's supposed to make 650 at the crank. And now it's making probably closer to 750, 725, I'm sorry. 625 times 1.15, yeah, 720 rear wheel, or crank horsepower. Man, I got my rear wheels and crank horsepower mixed up. Too much excitement. I love this package. I did forget to mention the thermostat. We put a 180 thermostat in them. We don't want them to run too cold. I think the 160 is way too cold. So we opt for the 180, and I like that. It works real well. Doesn't give me any trouble coming up to temperature, going in a closed loop, or wasting gas. It warms right up, and then it keeps the temperature nice. That's good.
Awesome.
I don't even have to touch it, I can deliver it.
That's incredible.
So spot on.
Awesome, guys.
Yeah, I did that tune at my desk.
Thanks for watching, everybody.